up, everybody? Brian, SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We got a 2020 Chevy here that we sent up on a leveling kit. If you come on back here, these are the fuel assaults. These are the 20 by 10s. They're a -18, so they poke the wheel just a little bit out of the fender. We're about an inch outside. These are the Ridge Grapplers, and guys, I know that they usually don't deserve it, especially on the last generation, but go hug a GM designer because we fit a 35 1250 underneath a leveled heavy-duty truck. So they joined the club along with Ram and Ford of trucks that you can fit that 35 underneath. But we did have to do some minor trimming. Again, this is a little obstacle right here, this female port that they put in for that engine block heater for us here cold people. But yeah, you'll have to lop this off a little bit. They did make the extra valence a second piece down there, so that's a real nice gesture by those gentlemen and ladies in Detroit. Let's see, and then we did have to bring in this internal fender liner. And then they did a nice job of not punching that same hole through the body that they did on the 1500, so you can just pull this this mud guard right off. But that's what we've got for you. Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we'll be lifting quite a few more of these.